Need a professional headshot in seconds? With PixNova AI, it's easier than ever and completely free to use. No subscriptions, no credit cards, and no signups. Just stunning results delivered instantly. Welcome back to AI Finder. Today, we're exploring one of the most powerful tools on the platform, the PixNova AI Headshot Generator. This tool is directly accessible on the PixNova AI website, right from your browser. You don't need any complicated software, design skills, or technical knowledge. Everything is automated and intelligently optimized through AI. Under the free AI Tools section, click on Headshot Generator. The interface is clean and user-friendly, and unlike many platforms out there, PixNova doesn't require you to upload multiple photos. All you need is one clear image of your face. That's it. Once uploaded, simply select your gender and pick a template that suits the style you're going for. You might prefer something corporate and professional for LinkedIn, or maybe something more casual and creative for your portfolio. After making your selection, click Generate. In a matter of seconds, PixNova AI processes your image and returns multiple high-resolution headshots, all professionally styled. Want to switch up the look? You can modify it using simple text prompts. Add a beard, change the age, or specify background preferences. For example, you could type, "Add a well-groomed beard, age 35, plain white background." PixNova instantly adjusts the result based on your inputs. It even handles tricky cases, angled shots, selfies with glasses, or variable lighting. You can type in details like black-rimmed glasses with a large frame, and still get a natural and polished final image. It's that flexible. If you want more control, use the custom prompt box to describe everything, from expression to clothing to lighting. You'll be amazed at how closely the AI follows your directions. But PixNova AI isn't limited to headshots, far from it. On the homepage, you'll find over 20 free AI tools, all thoughtfully designed to enhance, transform, or create images. These include the AI Image Enhancer, Image Upscaler, Extender, AI Baby Generator, AI Hairstyle Changer, Clothes Changer, Background Remover, and so much more. And yes, all of these tools are 100% free, leave no watermark, and don't require any account to use. Let's take a look at another feature, the AI Body Generator, located under the AI Fun section. Here, you can describe your desired full-body image using natural language. For example, a confident woman in a business suit standing in an urban environment, realistic lighting, neutral background. You can also choose from different art styles, like realistic or anime, and even apply negative prompts to exclude elements you don't want. Once you hit Generate, PixNova delivers beautiful full-body portraits in a matter of moments. It's ideal for digital creators, influencers, designers, or anyone looking to visualize concepts instantly. So, why wait? Try PixNova AI today by visiting pixnova.ai. If you want to jump right into the headshot tool, go directly to pixnova.ai AI Headshot Generator. It's fast, free, and entirely online. Thanks for tuning in. Be sure to subscribe for more AI tool reviews, creative hacks, and walkthroughs.